Jinan Deshang CNC Equipment Company Limited is a manufacturer of bus bar machines, press brakes, and plate cutting machines. Our direct sales factory is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. The bus bar machines, bus bar press brakes, bus bar bending machines, and copper bar 3-in-1 processing machines we produce can be customized with voltages between 220 volts to 440 volts, according to customer needs, and the color, size, function, and logo can all be customized. Bus bar machines are widely used in high and low voltage switch cabinets, substations, bus ducts, bridges, electrical switches, communication equipment, household appliances, and other electrical complete manufacturing industries. We have passed ISO 9001 and CE quality certification, and also accept OEM or ODM orders. We have professional engineer support, efficient sales team, and competitive price advantages, and have attracted customers from all over the world. We export to more than 40 countries, including Europe, Poland, Serbia, Turkey, Russia, the United States, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, the Middle East, and South Africa. Machining accuracy is the most important feature of equipment. DESG machines are very precise in cutting, stamping, and especially bending, which is exactly the element of precision that users of this type of machine are looking for. We are a reliable supplier of bus bar machines, with 3-year equipment warranty and lifetime upgrade and maintenance of the PLC system. We look forward to getting more cooperation